Good morning to all of you. Myself Dinesh Kumar from RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. Today I am going to discuss about types of service. If we talk about the first service is silver service. Silver service is always served from the left. Meals are served to the customer, not plated in the kitchen. The guest is to host. Left is served first, plates are cleared from the right, glasses are stacked in the diagonal to the northwest with wine in order, and then lastly water glass. Table setting. The table should have a centerpiece that performs a slowly decorative function. If an informal dinner is being served, that will fill the available place at the table. Care should be taken not make the centerpiece too large so that there will be a sufficient room place serving dishes. However, at formal dinner in Europe, the centerpiece may be huggy and including candle and may extending the full length of the table. Centerpieces should be low height so as not to obstruct visibility of dinner space. These are the table settings. Formal utensils are placed about 1 inch of the edge of the table, each one lining up at the base with the one next to it. Utensils on the outermost positions are used first. The blade of the knife must face towards the plate. The glasses are positioned about an inch from the knife in the order of use: white wine, red wine, desert wine, and water tumbler. Formal dinner. The most formal dinner is served from the kitchen when the meal is served in addition to the plate at each settings. There is a roll, the napkin, and the following cutlery: silver knives at the right, never more than 3, and fork to be the left, and also never more than 3. The dessert spoon to the right and the dessert fork to the left are placed on the dessert plate when brought to the table. Informal. Fewer utensils are used serving the dishes are placed on the table. Sometimes the cup and the saucers are placed on the right side of the spoon about 4 inches from the edge of the table. The napkin and the cutlery may held together a single bundle by the napkin ring. However, such objective as paper napkin rings are very rare in United Kingdoms or Italy. Cutlery. The major items of cutlery in the Western world are knives, fork, and spoon. Traditionally, good quality cutlery was made from silver, though steel was always used. More utilitarian knives and pivots was used. Some cheaper items, especially spoon from the 19th century, electroplated nickel silver (EPNS) was used as a cheaper substitute. French service, a very exclusive service in which the emphasis is on the presentations of the food as much as is on the quality and taste. The food is either put in entree dishes and served into the guest and plates, or the food is prepared in front of the guest on the trolley, garrido plated and then served. The service required highly skilled staff and founded a luxury dining outlets. If we talk about the Russian service, a service very similar to French service, but there is no garrido service. The food is plated in entree and brought to the table and served into plate. This service that offer personalized service and very common in most fine dining outlets in India. English service. This service is also known as family service. The originations of the service is through Victoria, and the food is brought on platters by the waiters and presented to the host. The host then portions of the food into individual plate and steward assist the service. Form of service is leisurely. American service. The service involves the food being pre-plated in the kitchen and the plate is then placed in front of the guest. In the USA, the food is placed from the left using the left hand, where in India, American service is done from the right side using the right hand. Buffet service. It is also called as self-service. Food counters are put up where the guest and pick up the dishes from the display that is put up. The service may have some aspect of it and assisted by the stewards. Garidon service. This service involves pre-preparations of food on the garidon and the side table in front of the view of the guest. Garidon service involve operations like filtration, plumbing and carving, jointing, etc. and service requires specialized skill and gather seen is very items which is prepared. Garidon salad. So thank you.